Hi, morning. We'll be doing a library tour of the Norman Law School so you can get a basic idea of how to find the relevant case law or whatever material in the law library. So we have
different sections, right? Of course, we have our public law material, which would be in this section, constitutional law. Coming down, we have land law, tax law in this category. Then we would have our contract material here. We'll have our crim material here. You have your crack. We'll have the emit. And we'll of course have the other more useful ones or the more well-used ones at the front desk. We have damages in this section, and we would have conveyancing. We have our set of encyclopedia forms and precedents, our land law here. Come around, we have our family, we have our industrial law. We have a variety of things for attorneys and students, but most of the student materials are at the front desk. We have trustees, companies law. Over here we have a little bit of carriage by sea, sales of goods. We have our set of court form, Atkins court forms. We have some of it at the front desk as well because those are what the students use more. That collection comes right around here. We have our set of white books. We have the later editions at the front desk, but we have the older volumes here, and of course we have some evidence here and some at the front desk. Right along, we will have our laws of the Commonwealth and some laws as it regards to Caribbean laws. So we would have laws of Ghana, Bermuda, Jamaica here, Trinidad there, coming right around. These are our newest ones. That's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. We don't have all the laws of the Caribbean, but we have most of the ones, especially the ones that we have students here. And we have two sets of the West Indian reports. We have two sets, one here and one in the staff room. And the students can also access them on LexisNexis. Attorneys, however, don't have access to our soft copy version because they have to get a password. From this section, straight back to about 4B, we would have our reports. So we would have Dominic Allah reports. We would have Albert's Laws of England, different sets, new and old. We would have our current law. Let's say we have new and old Albert's, and we have the digest. Attorneys use these more than students, but we have them nevertheless. Coming around, we have property. These are highly used. We have the criminal appeal here. And these are the most data we have. This is the law journals report. They're not consulted very often, but when they are, we are able to find the things that we need. We have the infamous All England reports. These are also available on LexisNexis, but we do have a complete set, and we still subscribe hard copy even though we have them in soft copy. We have the weekly law reports. These are a full set as well, but we also have them on LexisNexis. Queen's Bench, King's Bench, appeal cases, Chancery Division, which are all used to find cases. I say a lot of these we have available on the databases, but it's always good to have the hard copy, especially if the version that we have online is just the summary or just keyword. These are English reports, very old as well, not used frequently, but when they are needed, you find some very, very old cases in them. The Albury statutes, and in this section we have not a lot, but a few international law textbooks ranging from Australia, UK. We don't have a lot of US volumes because our students don't need them. And from this section, which is 3A, right back to 1A, we will have our journal. For example, we have the Australian Law Journal reports, the Australian Current Law, Public Law, Oxford Journal of Legal Studies, and a few others. We have 50 computers that the students can use to access the online database, which would give you a general idea of the text that we have in the system. It will also give you the cases, the Jamaican cases that we have in terms of unreported cases that you can find at the Supreme Court, or you can use Justice to find. We have our probate, we have the latest Tristan and Coup, we have also the Caribbean material, so we would have our Sita Hall, we would have our Bell Mavis, we have the well-known Hill and Redmond, landlord and tenant, and we have the Beresford Hay, a law of succession, and of course Williams and Woods. We have the family section, and we have a wide range of evidence material, and this is what the students use a lot in that section. We have the civil material, and of course we have a lot of advocacy material because of marketing purposes. We have a very complete set of the laws of Jamaica. A lot of people don't have from volume 1 to 12 because they're hard to find, but we have the complete set. So that should also be helpful. As I said,